When you want something crispy but don't want the guilt, this recipe is the answer. A simple snack packed with flavor and comfort. Today, I'm making Sesame Chikki, a traditional sweet that's simple, wholesome, and made with just a few ingredients. First, heat a pan on low to medium flame and add the sesame seeds. Dry roast them slowly, stirring continuously until they turn light golden and release a nutty aroma. Once roasted, keep them aside. Since this is a solid jaggery cube, cutting it into small chunks is important. Now add jaggery. I'm using a total of 1.5 cups of jaggery, added in batches to help it melt evenly. Cook on low flame until the jaggery melts completely and forms a smooth syrup. Now continue cooking the syrup until it reaches the hardball stage. Once the syrup is ready, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and mix well. Adding ghee to the jaggery syrup is very important. It prevents the chikki from sticking, gives a beautiful shine, and helps achieve the perfect crisp texture without making it hard or chewy. To check, drop a little syrup into cold water. It should form a firm ball and not dissolve. This step is very important for getting perfectly crunchy chikki. This stage locks in the sweetness and gives chikki its classic snap and clean break. Immediately add the roasted sesame seeds and stir quickly. Mix continuously and evenly, making sure every sesame seed is well coated with jaggery. This ensures uniform sweetness and prevents dry or loose chikki pieces later. Do not cook the mixture for too long after adding the sesame seeds. Transfer the mixture on a butter paper. You can even transfer this mixture on the oil-greased plate. Use one more butter paper on top to avoid sticking to the roller. Gently roll the mixture into an even layer. Do not press too hard. Applying too much pressure can cause the jaggery to ooze out, making the chikki uneven and overly hard after setting. While the chikki is still warm, cut it into squares or diamond shapes using a greased knife. Gently mark straight lines first, then cut the chikki into shapes. Cutting at the right temperature is very important for a neat finish. If you cut the chikki while it's too hot, the edges may lose shape. If you wait too long and it cools completely, the chikki can crack or break unevenly. Let it cool completely. This is when it sets and becomes beautifully crisp. Once cooled, break into pieces and enjoy this homemade sesame chikki. Crunchy, nourishing, and a timeless sweet made with love. Store the Sesame Chikki in an airtight container. It stays fresh and crunchy for days, made without any preservatives, making it perfect for festive gifting or everyday snacking. If you enjoyed this traditional recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more homemade classics. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon with another simple and comforting recipe.